and welcome to BizTech2 TV. This week on The Insider, we take you through the BI journey of Pidilite Industries.
Dr. Fix Waterproofing Solutions.
Pidilite Industries is the market leader in construction chemical segment. Its brand name Fevicol has become synonymous with adhesives for millions of consumers and industrial users. The company's product range includes adhesives, sealants, construction and paint chemicals, automotive chemicals, and art materials. With constant growth, this multi-product and multi-location company started struggling to meet the information needs of middle-level managers.
In a business like this, there is a lot of need to review, analyze and take action at both macro and micro level. And hence we need to organize data in a manner where you can quickly see the trends, you can quickly see the exceptions and take the necessary actions. One key allowed us to roll it out across to the entire company to various people at all the levels. We were doing things like SQL query or Crystal report or Oracle report writers. So we were using various report writing tools to write very structured reports which were used by the users across the company. Selected users were using Business Objects.
Pidilite was already using a BI tool from Business Objects. So why did the company decide to go for another BI tool?
We had thought BI was selected, was restricted to a senior management team. For certain reports which are more structured with more detailed analysis, we find Business Object to be more useful for our requirement. For certain types of day-to-day reporting, which is done across the organization by all the users, there one key we find more useful.
One key BI quickly addresses the information needs of the company's operations like sales, finance and accounts. Let's now find out how Pidilite makes use of this tool in various business areas.
Sales is extremely important for our type of organization. As I explained to you, since we have multiple products within a division, the analysis needs to be done at product level, SKU level, location level. That brings in tremendous amount of complexity. A tool like One Key would allow you to organize the data that you want, as well as will allow you to drill down, do various slice and dice and various analysis, which allows you to put various parameters and look at the sale the way you want to do. Another area is also to look at, say, stock and pending order. When you are in a company with large number of product and SKU, it's a big challenge to make sure that all products are available in right quantity at all the locations. Again, this means a voluminous amount of data where you are handling large number of products and SKUs scattered against various locations. So again, this helps the logistic and the sales planning team get a good visibility of their stock.
For our day-to-day and various types of MIS reportings, we use One Key, and for certain reports we use our dashboards also. And I'll explain you how we go ahead for seeing various types of sales reports, finance reports, purchase reports. On my desktop I have an icon of One Key, which on click it will ask me for my login and I have to enter my password. The reports are available in my public reports. This is the domains which I get: sales, finance, purchase. I'm going to sales domain. Now I'll go to sales register because I want to see 10 days sale. So I'll just go to sales register and click on the button called as show report. I enter the various parameters. This is the date for which I am looking at the sales report. This is the report which shows me the invoice series, the division, department, number, date, the party details, amount, the various types of LR number, LR date, what is the net weight and gross weight. I can take this report and export it to Excel if I want. There are various facilities. I can make either an HTML file, an Excel file, XML file or a text file. The file is now open in my Excel mode.
It took around 6 months to implement because we were the first customer. Pidilite was the first customer to implement the One Key. We were in around more than 150 reports to be deployed on One Key. It is using directly our production database because we wanted report on ad hoc report real time. And the response was very fast, so we have directly put one key on the production database. The users has been created many, but effectively people, 200 plus users are using effectively across the country. Since we were the first customer, we were not sure how much time it will take to implement and how it will look after the deployment, because we were using some SQL reports and there was no security also. After the implementation, the result was good. The security which was implemented we were happy with that.
OneKey BI has now become the default reporting tool for the company's operations. The ease of use and convenience of seeing reports in Excel has encouraged more users to use this tool.
For many users, this is now the primary tool of reporting. So this is the primary source of reporting. We have not given them any other options. The good thing about OneKey is that the overall investment is not that significant, whereby ROI becomes a primary concern. For the amount of benefit it gives, the investment is not very large. And hence we have not really done an ROI because you know that it is working well. We are extremely focused towards our sales, distribution, marketing. And hence, as an entire organization, the benefit in terms of more number of people looking at sales, more number of people finding the exception, more people taking action to ensure you don't have stock out or when you don't have overdue receivables or outstanding. Those are the benefits.
Pidilite is now planning to use OneKey dashboards for senior management. With increasing number of mobile employees, the company is now planning to adopt an online version of OneKey, which will allow employees to churn reports from anywhere.
We have now started using OneKey for financial consolidation. We found that tool very useful. First time for this year's financial closing, we used that tool. We have some 17 or 18 overseas subsidiaries, and hence consolidating that results is a big challenge. So this tool we found very useful. So that till now we had not started using this from web. So now we want to obviously use the online version of OneKey to move towards web. So that would be the next step. We may have a separate data warehouse for access through internet, but then people can access the key data, not the database, but the key data from outside.